Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142 error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Make sure you selected the windows on the left side. On right side you just need to find load app init. Just double click on it. Value data set to 0 and click on OK and just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to right click on the application and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to select the run compatibility troubleshooter and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. Select yes. You just need to select the application in this list. If you not see, then select none of the above. Select the application. After that, what is the problem you are having with this app? Select none of the above. And do you want us to apply recommended compatibility settings for you? Select yes option and you just need to wait. After getting done, select the yes option. Action done. You just need to close stuff here now and just to close stuff here and right click on the application and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command, just to copy and paste it one by one. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100% complete. After finishing this, just to copy the second command and paste it. After finishing both commands, you can check if the problem solved or not. The problem not solved, method 4 is to update graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 5, you need to download and install 3 programs. The first one is Visual C++ Redistributables. Check my video description for these 3 programs download link. Just need to select the link. Depends on where system bit. This is for 64-bit operating system. This is for 32-bit operating system. And the same way, scroll down DirectX, select the download option and download it. And same way, scroll down web installer, select the runtime and it will start downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install these 3 programs. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.